Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So this is the video for the newly subscribed members. Few of you don't know how to add the indicators from the invite only options of the trading view indicator script. It is very simple. So what you have to do, please click on to the plus symbol which is available at the bottom side. See here there is a plus symbol. This is the plus symbol. Click on this, then select the indicator. See, it is written here FX. Click on this. Then if you had subscribed to our indicator, you could see at the bottom invite only script. You just click on this. After which whatever indicators has been assigned to you, it will be available for you. Now you click on MST, just one click or double click. Okay, that's all. Then go back and cancel this. Come here. So this is the indicator which has been added to your chart. Now how to use this indicator? It is very simple. I will run the indicator once again from the beginning of the crude oil today. So I am selecting the bar replay button. So now consider market has not opened. Okay, now market is about to open. Before that I am giving default settings. Select here and give reset settings. See here at the bottom left hand side you could see three dots. Click on this, then give reset settings. That's all. After which assume that market has been opened now. That's all. Our lines are formed. Okay, see here our forms are ready, our lines are ready. If market is coming down to 7904, we will be buying. If market is going up first at 8019, we will be selling. That's all. So 7869 will be our stop loss for the buy entry and 8055 will be stop loss for the sell entry. So now let me run the market. So now market is not yet moving either side. So whichever side is moving first, that side only we will be trading. Other side we will be ignoring. Don't forget, we will be trading one trade per day. If buy got activated, only buy side will be there unless the SL hit. If sell got activated, we will be in sell unless the SL hit. We are not going to trade again and again. But we have given many options in the indicator for the frequent traders. But we are suggesting only one trade. Per day, if you are able to get 2000 to 5000 rupees profit, it is a very good profit. Okay. So now market is running. I don't know which side market will go. If it is coming down to 7904, we are ready with the pending order. Don't forget, we are ready with the pending order buy entry at 7904 and sell entry with the pending order at 8019. The stop loss, initial stop loss will be 7869 and 8055. If you don't want to give the big stop loss, then come here and select tiny SL. Both the side you can select tiny SL. Okay. Both the side you can select tiny SL. Now market is running. I will just give the speed up. Market is running. It is not moving either side. It is in between. If it is coming down, we will be buying. If it is going up, we will be selling. See here. What is the low made? The low made was 7904. Exactly our buy entry got activated. Now since buy activated, come to this settings and enable first buy targets, first buy SL and remove all other settings. So now our buy got activated and this is our SL. What is the SL? 7887. Immediately our first target hit. Immediately our first target also hit. It is almost nearing to third target. See here, first target hit, second target hit, and it is nearing to third target. So hope it is clear. If it is not giving targets after the entry 7904, what we have to do? We have to go for the reversal entry at 7887. What is the reversal entry? Come here and select second cell SL, second cell entry and second cell target. See here, second cell entry is 7904. Sorry, second cell entry at 7887 and target will be 7869.